Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Yeah. How you doing, man?
Pretty good, bud. How are you?
It looks like you did something with the AC down here.
Yeah, I got air pipe to the back.
Really? That's a good idea. Okay.
Yeah, well, I mean, you got to fight
the heat. Yeah.
Yeah, because I live, you're in Georgia. I'm
yes,
in South Carolina. It's really, really hot.
Yes, sir. You want to give me a quick rundown real quick of all your equipment?
Yes. I got 4 Nightshade V4s, 15s, on 2 7500s, all Sundown, 370 amp alternator, and I've got 180 all lithium proto cells.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Does that help voltage good? Yeah.
Keeping it there, man. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Awesome.
It is pretty good.
What is it tuned to?
This is a tune to 33, so I can play between 23 and 43, pretty decent. I don't lose a whole lot.
Yes, sir.
If you seal it up, man, it sucks. But if leave it open, it's pretty beast.
Okay. Awesome.
But I got a song I'll let you listen to whenever you're ready for it.
Yeah, man. I'm ready. I like the port.
I do too.
Nice little roundover on there.
Yeah. This is actually designed by Drew Jones, who's sitting right over there.
Drew Jones. Okay.
Yeah. I got it.
Sweet.
And I put it together myself earlier this year.
Really? Okay. Awesome. All right. Demo time.
DJ Rusticals.
He rich, he a fool for this shit. You know what this shit is. Yeah.
actually cooling off. I'm blowing it out.
Oh,
Woo. That thing smokes every now and then.
fuse block is smoking bad. You better go check it out.
Yeah, I will.
Oh no, smoking. Dude, that was awesome, Doc.
Yeah, no, it gets on it now. Do I got the fans on?
What's up, man? Doing videos. How you doing? Oh yeah, appreciate it. Thanks for watching, man. Thank you.
I love what you're doing.
That's easy.
That's what we're doing right now. So this is what kind of lithium? Proto. Okay.
Yeah, it looks like I might have come loose right now. I'm pulling on.
Just a short fuse.
Yeah, blue fuse. It happens a
Dude,
lot.
that was brutal though.
Yeah, it
I appreciate that
happens a
memo. I'm sorry about that. Your voltage was solid though.
Yeah, stay
You're holding high 14s, low 15s the whole time. That's insane.
Blue fuse for the win.
Yeah. Well, that's why we fuse. It's actually sitting.
Wow. So this is like sealed off with AC running all throughout. That's awesome. Hey, thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you too.
Real niggas. Real figures. Yeah, straight rock. For your mishaps. Oh, crap. Which place?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.